Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys doing wonderful. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. If you're into organic garden, well, you at the right place. So today we're going to talk a little about growing bell pepper and growing bell pepper successfully. The key to growing bell pepper successfully is always make sure you plant them pretty deep. You could plant them 10 to 12 inches deep, and while they're growing, you just keep bringing the soil around their root. So all these bell pepper had plant about 10 to 12 inches and they're growing really well right now. The next thing you want to do, you want to make sure that the soil around the plant is pretty soft, especially when you're dealing with short growing season. You want to make sure the soil always soft, so you come and you wake it up every 3 days. Every 3 days you come and you pull the soil around their root and you wake up the soil around their root. And once you keep doing this, guys, you're going to see the growth start changing and everything start taking off. So the key to it is plant them deep, and every 3 days you come and you start pulling the soil. If you notice, pulling the soil around their root and make sure the soil is pretty soft. When the soil is soft, there's a lot of air pass through, and the root also have a chance to spread itself. So you come. This works for me perfectly, guys. And anytime you start seeing flowers, what you start doing, you give them a nice cup of natural composting, and that will take them. All of them, as small as they be, they all producing at this time. And this is because I plant them early and the weather was really challenging. So the weather start changing now. So now you're seeing growth. You see how they start developing, how the body start getting thick, they start getting tall. So now they start pushing their own limbs, and if you see down in here, they start pushing flowers. So guys, please stay tuned, follow this channel, and make sure you pay attention that you can see the update on these bell pepper. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.